ang tagal mo na nag-a-apply kung saan ka na nag-send ng mga application mo, ng CV, pero wala ka pang, hanggang ngayon wala ka pang client, wala ka pang work, 'di ba? So, my next question would be, naayos mo ba yung branding mo ng sarili mo as a freelancer or a virtual assistant or business owner? 'Di ba? Kasi it's very important for you na ayusin mo muna yung branding mo. Ano ibig sabihin? 'Di ba meron tayong tinatawag na optimizing your social media? 'Di ba meron tayong CV optimization? Tapos meron din tayong social media optimization. Meaning, ayusin mo yung Instagram mo, aayusin mo yung LinkedIn account mo, yung Upwork mo, yung OLJ mo. Ayusin mo lahat ng social media mo. And make sure na yung mga nakapost sa social media mo is about yourself and about your brand. Ano ba yung brand na pinapakita mo sa social media mo? This is something that you have to reflect on if you want to have a client. Puntahan mo yung Instagram mo, puntahan mo yung LinkedIn mo, puntahan mo yung Facebook mo. Lahat ng yan, pati yung mga Upwork mo and all, i-check mo kung ikaw ba yung kliyente, tapos nakita ng kliyente yung social media mo, do you think the client will like you to be their virtual assistant or to be their social media manager or to be their uh, assistant, their VA, their employer, whatever, their partner in business? Kasi, kapag hindi naka-optimize yung, pag hindi nakaayos yung mga social media mo as to your brand, hindi ka talaga nila kukunin. Remember that your social media is also your resume, is also your CV. Halimbawa, yung mga pinopost mo bang mga video is hindi naman kailangan laging related sa freelancing. You have the freedom naman na ayusin mo yung or mag-post ng kung ano-ano. Pero kung yung mga pinopost mo naman yung mga galit mo sa nanay mo, galit mo, away nyo ng kapatid nyo, ng asawa mo, 'di ba? Kung ako yung kliyente, hindi kita kukuhain kasi toxic ka pala eh, 'di ba? So, you have to make sure na naka-optimize yung social media mo. That's very, very important. Kasi your social media is your brand. If you're a freelancer or virtual assistant, you have to show it to you through your social media that you are a freelancer or that you are a virtual assistant. So, ako, kasi puro kalokohan ako sa Facebook. So, what I did, I created a page that would showcase myself as a freelancer. I created my second account sa Instagram that would show my client that I'm a freelancer. I'm a virtual assistant, I'm a social media manager, digital marketing. So, na-appear yun lahat doon. It looks like a portfolio already. Yung LinkedIn ko is client ready. Never ko pinaltan yung open to work. Lagi yan open to work. So my clients would see or my potential clients would see me that I am open for opportunities. 'Di ba? So alam nyo guys, masipag din ako mag-apply. Like ang like ko nga sinasuggest 5 to 10 applications a day yung gagawin nyo. Ganyan yung ginagawa ko if I really want a new job. Pero I make sure na pag ginagawa ko yan, naka-optimize yung social media ko. Maayos yung social media ko. And to tell you honestly, meron akong mga nakitang messages sa LinkedIn ko, sa Instagram. Pag tinignan yung LinkedIn ko, hindi siya masyadong updated kasi hindi ko na masyadong pinapakialaman kasi more on Instagram ako at saka Facebook. Pero pag tinignan nyo yung mga accounts ko, client ready yan. And may mga messages ako natanggap from 2024 pa pala in 2023 na hindi ko nabasa just because may client na ako na mga bago since those years. Tapos nung nireplyan ko, sabi ko, sorry, I just saw your message, ganyan. Tapos sasabihin nila, yung iba sabi pa sa akin ng isang client, a year late, I'm sorry, I already have a social media manager. So, late ko na kasi talaga nabasa, meaning, ang dami ko palang natanggap na messages from clients or opportunities from clients noon just because naka-optimize yung social media ko. 'Di ba? Remember, again, optimizing your social media is important kasi your social media is like your portfolio. So, it's like your resume. So, kung nagtataka ka, ba't bala ka pang client? Baka yan pa yung kulang sa'yo, apply ka ng apply. Kasi, pag nag-apply ka, tapos nakita ng client yung application mo, babasahin nila yung CV mo. Ang susunod niyang gagawin, i-check niya yung mga social media mo, lalo yung Instagram mo. Titignan niya kung anong klaseng tao ka. Anong work mo currently. Or, anong mga hilig mong gawin kasi importante sa kanila attitude. More than skills, attitude is more important sa kanila. Marami akong experience sa interview, tinanggap nila ako not because I'm skillful, but tinanggap nila ako because of my attitude. Daming best ko yung experience. Or hindi nila ako tinanggap kasi someone's attitude is better than mine. So, ngayon, para ma-confirm nila yan, yung CV mo na pinasa, they would look at your social media. Most of our clients would do that kasi wala naman silang personal touch sa iyo eh. The only way for them to get to know you before they hire you is through your social media. So, kailangan ayusin mo yan. Baka yan na lang yung kulang.